Good morning, everyone. It is a lovely fall day here in Western PA. So today, guys, you are heading back over to www.mynextmove.org. The link is in your email. You are going to be doing your final career exploration, and this time you are going to either search for career with keywords or you're going to browse careers by industry. And we're going to check this out real quick, give you a refresher. Once you choose a career you want to write about, you will head over to your portfolio. So we're going to do search career by keyword first. Let's search childcare, just for the heck of it. Once you search, you're going to see a great list here, childcare workers, and then a list of other careers that fall in line with childcare. Education administrators, preschool, childcare centers and programs, preschool teacher. Each one of these is a career that you can click on to get some more information. I'm going to click kindergarten teacher, just because my daughter's in kindergarten right now, so I want to check it out. Now remember, when you are on this site, you are able to check out the different knowledge bases you'll need, the skills this job requires. Over here, specific tasks you'll be responsible for, the types of abilities you'll need. And then this is a very important part down here. You have the personality, the types of personality traits that you would require to be successful in this field. What type of technology you might need to be able to complete and handle, what type of education you would need, the job outlook. This is saying how many of these jobs are going to be available in the future by the time you would be prepared for this. If this doesn't sound like a job for you, there's a list here of other jobs that might be of your interests. So when you search by specific words, it's going to bring you up a list of all the careers that could align with that. If you want to go back to the home screen, you would click up here, and then you can browse by category or by industry. So we're going to scroll up a little bit here. You can select from a drop-down menu here of different categories and interests. I'm going to scroll up a little bit so you can see better. So we have arts and entertainment, construction, education, farming, forestry, fishing, and hunting. I'm going to click this one because my husband loves all of these things. Then I'm going to click Browse. Now, a whole list of jobs comes up right here. This is a pretty big list. If you notice, there's a little sunny symbol right here. That means that these jobs have a bright outlook. Looks like there's going to be more jobs in the future for agricultural equipment operators and farm labor contractors. So let's say you like the idea of running equipment. So let's click on this. Oh, look, there's a career video. This is really cool. When there's a career video, you can click on it and it will show you a real neat little blurb on the job. Specific tasks, again, that would be completed by you. A nice little summary of what they do. Knowledge, skills, abilities, just like before. The personality traits, the technology you might need, the level of education. Now this one's no high school diploma or GED, or you could require a high school diploma. So this doesn't require as much education. Has a very bright outlook. There's going to be more jobs here, and an average salary of about $31,190. Not too bad. As high as $46,000 and as low as $20,000 depending on where you live. So this is how you're going to explore your careers, guys. What you'll do is then you will click into your portfolio. Now, I am going to hop into a portfolio real quick and show you kind of what you'll be expected to do next. Okay, guys, now that I have the blank portfolio up here, at this point, you should have slide 1 done. This is not anybody's in this class. This is just a sample one. So you should have slide 1 complete. You should have slide 2 complete. You should also have slide 4 complete. And slide 5. Today we are working on slide 6. So you will be expected to type the name of the career up here. Explain why you like this career. Now, you do have the option to talk about a career you don't like and that you've ruled out. So you would want to actually change this if you looked into a career and you've decided it's not for you. Explain why here. And then over here, you're going to insert a photo. So we're going to go with a farm equipment runner. I'm going to click on this upload picture button, and I'm just going to search the web for farm equipment. So if you notice over here, your search for images pops up. And I like clip art, so I'm going to search that. Oh, I like this tractor right here. I kind of like this one better. You're just going to simply click on the picture you like the most. And then down at the bottom here where you can't see, it says insert. A blue button pops up. So I am placing that right in here on my slide. I'm going to move it over so it's out of the way. And then I'm going to type here what I want on my portfolio. That is all you have to do today. Explore one career and complete slide 6. Now make sure slide 6, slide 5, slide 4, and slide 2 all require a picture. It's very important that you get that done. Once you have this done, that is all you will need to do for today. Send me an email letting me know what career you explored and put in your portfolio, and you will be marked present for today. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you next week in a live class.